Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video, and in today's video we will be talking about the latest update to the stock Samsung text messaging application, which brings back the ability of having custom notification sounds per conversation. Now that's the big part of the sentence there, which is per conversation, because back in the day you used to head over into your contact application, you'll head over into your contact, hit on that edit, and this is where you put in, their phone number, their email address. This is where you can place in the specific ringtone, vibration pattern, and you used to be able to put in those text messaging, custom notification sounds. But this one is not set up per the contact, it's actually set up per your conversation. So when you open up a conversation, it could be with you and multiple other people within that same conversation. But on the very top right hand side, you click on those three little dots, and there it is right there. This is where you can change the notification sound. So you can set it up as default, or you can move it over to custom. Once you place it over into custom, you hit on that settings icon, and then this is where it has all the different app notifications and settings for text messaging. But with this conversation, this is where you can head over into the sound. And for the sound of this conversation, this one is set up as robot. Now, this is where you can go through here and you can change it per that conversation. Now, you might be asking yourself, how do I get a different notification sound of something that was not already pre-installed on this device? So you can see over here, I do have a couple different songs that was added inside of there. All you would have to do is plug your phone into a computer or just go to a website, have an application, download those particular ringtones or songs or whatever you want to have on your phone. And then you're going to head over into your Samsung folder and click on My Files. Now inside of My Files, it will take you to this screen here, and you're going to click on the internal storage. Now wherever you got your notification sound or your music or whatever it is, it could be placed underneath download if it's something that was downloaded. It could also be placed underneath your music folder if it was a song. And so let's say that we go through here and I'm going to add in chains and chandelier. Now with this one here, I'm just going to do a simple action of copy, and then with copy, I'm going to go to the internal storage, and you want to place it over into a folder that is called notifications. Now, if you do not have a folder that is called notifications, create that folder and then just simply add it inside of there. Now, when you do add that notification folder, let's say it was not there by stock, it's still gonna definitely work because your phone reads on the folders. And once it notices the notifications folder, it's gonna find anything that's sitting inside of there, and it's going to add it as an option underneath custom. So now that you've added in that song or that ringtone or whatever it may be, you're gonna head to your conversation, you go to the very top, you're gonna click on notifications, click on that settings as we've done from before, and then this is where you click on sound. And when you go to the very top, you're going to see that those couple different options was just added. There is the option for chains, and then here's also that chandelier. And so once you chose that sound you wanted for that conversation, now it is set up. So just to show you that last change we did to the previous conversation did not make a change to all of the conversations, I headed over to a different one, and on the very top right hand side, I'm going to click on notifications. So you can see that this one is still set as default. So simply, I'm going to head over into custom, hit on that settings icon. I'm going to go down over into sound, and then I'm going to place in a different ringtone for that person. So this is why I love the company of Samsung. I'm a huge advocate of Samsung. I like the fact that people went over into a Samsung community, they went online, they made their frustrations relevant, and Samsung definitely listened and brought it on back. I know that there's a few people that sent me some screenshots and some emails that they also emailed Samsung letting them know their frustrations. I also reached out to them as well, and here we are just a couple months later, boom, we have everything back. And I did love the application of Textra, but I just love the stock text messaging application, everything it brought. Now that it has those custom notification sounds per conversation, I'm right back over into using the Samsung stock messaging app. Outside of that, I hope you guys liked this video. Give this thing a huge thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure you please hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Share this video with your friends and family, social media sites. Don't forget to hit on that bell for the notifications so you get the notification of all my future videos. And outside of that, I'll see you guys later.